Hi guys, welcome to Naturally Green. This is a continuation of a series of videos on the display pots. Today's video is about hanging pots. This is the range that we have. This one right here is the elegant hanging pot. A simple plain design with all these multiple colors of which is decent. Just now saw green, this one orange, light purple, and pink. It's a matte finish and a glossy bottom. You can see the floral design right there, and the insides is glossy and perfectly round. The next is the horizontal line pot. It's a nice design, and the lines continue all the way inside as well. Next in line is the glory hook pot. It has a matte finish and a glossy strip on top. It runs all along and it has a matte finish inside. It has an oval design and a really sturdy hook on the top, which doesn't bend easily. You can put it onto your railings and it won't fall off. These are all the colors that we have. Next is the double pot with a single hook. You can see you can place two pots in here, or you can directly have the media placed inside, or place two pots separately. This also has a very sturdy hook. It comes in these three colors: the red, the blue, and the green. Next is the fence hook pot. You can see the fence shaped design that runs all the way up to the top. It is circular, unlike the glory hook. It has a sturdy hook as well. It also comes in different colors like yellow, orange, and red. Next is a vertical line pot. It has a really nice design and a glossy finish. The hanging part of this is different. As you can see, it has a nice design to it. We sell the pot in a similar version, that is the similar vertical lines, but with a different hook. This is the prime hanging pot. It has its own bottom tray, which can be separable, and the water collects onto that. This avoids the dripping issue, which most pots face. Water gets stored there and can be cleaned every few weeks. These are the colors that we have: the yellow, the red, and the purple. You also saw the green, which I showed previously. These are a range of hanging pots with metal chains. This is the Juhi hanging pot. This is the balloon hanging pot. You can see the bubble-like design, which makes it look nice. These are the colors: the red, purple, and the white. This is a wicker hanging pot. It has a nice design and texture to it. This is the yellow, and this is the green turquoise blue color. It comes in two sizes. This is the smaller size, which is displayed in the red color. This is another beautiful pot with a stitch-like design. Yellow and green colors. This is the twister hanging pot. You can see the nice design and those horizontal lines which runs right across. Makes it look very beautiful. Next we have the fence hanging pots. This one is the yellow. You can see the fence shape design and a round shape. Provided places to hook on the metal chains. This is the yellow, the blue, the orange, the green, and the white. This is the metal chain that we provide. This is the 3-hook one, and this one has 4 chains. Let me just show you how we fix it on. The twister hanging pot needs a 4-chain hanging. The hole provided on the pot onto which the hook is hooked on. Right here. This is the tri-metal hanging pot. Here they have used the three chains. Let's move on to the dimensions of the pots. As we had seen earlier, the prime hanging pot. The size of this pot is 7 inches. The diameter, that is. The height is of 5.5 inches. Height from the bottom all the way to the hook is 20 inches. Next, the matte finish and glossy design pot. This is 8 inches in diameter. Remaining the same, as 20 inches. This is the vertical line hanging pot, which is 7 inches in diameter. Next, the glory hook pot. The horizontal dimension of 9 inches and the vertical breadth of 7 inches. That's slightly diagonal. Next is the balloon hanging pot with a diameter of 9 inches. The double pot, with a diameter of 12 inches, that is 1 feet. of 7 inches, 7.5. The height of the pot is 6.5 inches. The wicker hanging pot, a breadth of 8.5 inches. The smaller version of the same is 6.5 inches. The fence chain hanging pot, diameter of 8.5 inches. The net finish pot, the diameter of 8 inches. Next, the fence hook pot, diameter of 7 inches. And a height of 11 inches. Floral hook pot, diameter of 8.5 inches. And a height of a little over 10.5 inches. The twister hanging pot, those beautiful designs with a length of 9 inches and a diagonal length of 12 inches, that's about 1 feet. The horizontal line pot with the size of 8 inches in diameter. And a height of 19 inches. Next in line we have the vertical small hook pots. That's pink, turquoise blue, yellow, terracotta, and black. We have a larger version of the same vertical hanging pot in black color. So dimensions of the smaller pot, with a length of 4 inches, breadth of 5 inches, height of 4 inches, beautiful design, and 4 inches in breadth and 4 inches in height again. Have these strong sturdy hooks which you can hook on to the railing or a net. The bigger one is of a height of 5 inches, a length is a little over 5.5 inches, and a breadth of 4 inches. With similar sturdy hooks. Like and share this video, comment your opinions down below, and for more such content, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the notifications of our further videos.